I'm going to do a classic mixed fruit pudding. First thing, what I'm going to do is, before I start all this, I took pineapple, fresh pineapple I took, and I'm going to put it into a bowl with a tablespoon of sugar and stew it first so that the water goes off, and it has to be stewed. Otherwise, once tomorrow or day after when you have it, the pudding will be a little bitter and there will be water in it. So we will have to stew it. We'll do that now. Fresh pineapple I have taken, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, and we will stew this. Slowly water will start coming in that. Fresh fruit, no, water comes out from that. The water has to dry up. The water comes out from this pine I told you. We have to stew it nicely, and I have put sugar also in it. So when I put the sugar, what happens? Sugar will also melt. Fresh milk I have taken, and I have taken 3 cups of milk. We have to always remember 1 pint of milk we have to take. Fresh milk, 1 pint. So when I say 1 pint, it's 3 teacups. So I will off this, put that into the bowl back again. So I will take exactly 3 teacups of milk. Then sugar. About 100 grams of sugar I am putting into this. Corn flour. 1, 2, 3. I put a little more. 2 egg yolks. Along with that, 1 tablespoon of butter. I put that into on heat. You know what I am going to do? I am going to put these pineapple pieces into it. About 1 teaspoon of pineapple essence I have used, because pineapple pieces are there, so we will put the pineapple also, essence, pineapple, all that together. Slightly cool a little, and I am going to put into this bowl. Slightly cool this a little, right? So once it is cool, what we are going to do is, I have kept this pudding aside, that is the custard that we have made, we have kept aside, and I am going to beat the egg whites. I have put the egg whites into a bowl before I start on anything. I am going to take fruit juice. Apricot fruits I have got, that is with the juice it comes, so I have taken the juice. I put that into the bowl. 2.5 teaspoons of gelatin. Cook this slightly. Now that is ready. Beating the egg whites. Only the egg whites I am beating. I need 60 grams of sugar. The apricot juice and the gelatin, it's still warm. While it is warm, we add it into this mixture. A pinch of salt. Now this mixture is also ready for us. Custard is ready for us. So what we are going to do is, over that, I am going to put this apricot, cherries. Cherries I took and mixed separately into this. This mixture, going to pour it over. Freezer for 5 minutes. And thereafter, we have to do a small decoration. To do the decoration, I need jelly. When I say jelly, you know what I am going to use here is the jelly that not we bought it, it's a moss jelly that I am going to use. When you say moss jelly, I hope you will understand. This is the moss jelly which I am using. Moss jelly which I took about 10 grams, put it into a bowl with 2 cups of water and boiled it. When that gets melted nicely, you have to strain it. I put 2 cups of water, plain water, and then you have to boil it, and nicely when it has already strained, now strain it well and take that. Put it back again into the saucepan with about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then you divide that into 2 portions. I have taken 1 portion in red, 1 portion in green. So I put the color also. Red color and strawberry essence. Green color and pineapple essence I put, and kept out for about an hour or so, that will get set. Now you can see the moss jelly, how it looks. See? So now what I am going to do is, my pudding I kept in the freezer. Now we will bring that. The pudding we took it out from the freezer. I said 5 minutes. Now we put the jelly which I told you, moss jelly. If you put a jelly, if you use, it will start melting. This won't melt. Cashew nut, roasted cashew nuts. Oh, lovely. My pudding is ready. Who is going to have it? This is my classic mixed fruit pudding. Classic mixed fruit pudding is ready. So this could be served. If I do it in the morning, you can serve it for the night. If you do it in any time, you can serve it even tomorrow. Please keep watching. I have been doing for the last 5 years. I hope you will enjoy all my recipes, puddings, desserts and cakes, all kind of rice I do. Everybody loves all these type of preparation, and even small other ingredients also I showed you, which will be even tastier. And of course, I will meet you very soon with another episode. Till then, bye from me now.